Growing up, a lot has changed, but not the promise of milk as a source of health and a flourishing future. At Flourish too, milk is a way of life and your health is our topmost priority. For your good health and well-being and to ensure the highest standards of quality, we have developed a dairy farm where happy and healthy cows live in a 5-star resort-like campus, which conforms to international standards. Ventilated sheds equipped with water sprinklers and fans so that our cows are comfortable every moment of the day, in every season. Comfortable compost-bedded barns, clean drinking water is available round the clock. Taking care that they get balanced nutrition, the cows are milked in no human touch milking process. Equipment is washed and sanitized regularly to ensure cleanliness. Full-time veterinary care is available for health and nutrition needs. We run more than 75 quality tests to make sure that you get the most pure and fresh milk.
To make your lifestyle even healthier, we bring to you an extensive product basket. Don't just live, flourish.